Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change payment method on Amazon. Now for this, firstly open any web browser on your PC and there search for amazon.com and then get logged into your account. Once you get logged into your account, you can see your name here. Now tap on account and list option and then tap on account option from the drop down menu. After that, tap on your payment section. Now to remove your payment method, tap on edit button and there you will be able to see remove from your wallet option. Tap on that option and then again tap on remove button. And once you tap on remove button, here you can see your payment method has been removed. And that's how easily and quickly you can remove your payment method on Amazon. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's all for this video and I will see you in the next one.